is how I make Frankinstax. First I print all the parts. And this is the camera getting prepared. I take off the little glass windows and the eyepiece. Now it's prepared for paint. I of course paint it outside, in the sun preferably, and this is when I'm done painting it. This is actually the first gray version. Here I get rid of the lens. I get out the electronics that I don't need. And then I prepare all the wires. Here I have attached the shutter button and prepared the wires for soldering. This is after soldering, and the shutter button is being mounted with hot glue on the top. Next I prepare to install the dark slide. Here it is installed with black silicone between. And then I have prepared my laser cut light seals. After installing the light seals, I will put, of course, the top on, attached with 6 screws. Next I prepare the dark slide. I glue the handle on. It's important that you just put a very tiny amount on the bottom, or else you can have glue all over the place. Then I leave it standing up for drying. It takes about an hour. The screws I'm using for the mount side is 8 mm long and approximately 3 mm thick. And here it is. Next I mount the trim piece that makes it fit to the original back of the camera. Here the trim piece has been mounted to the front and the back side is being mounted. And the top piece has been mounted as well in this picture. And here is the finished product, almost except for the eyepiece. And this is now what it looks like from the front. It's attached to the camera, and I went out and did a few test shots.